with a spoon, it's only one thing. So as I'm mixing, it creates like a space in the back and incorporates air. With this, there are a lot of wires. So every rotation that I do will incorporate more air with less effort. Pretty much that's what it does, okay? What do you think it is for? To mix. Yeah. Can you mix with a spoon as well? Yeah. Mix with a spoon. Can you mix with your hands?
No. Yes.
In fact, your hands, the hands are the best tools we have. It's gotta be clean, but this is the best tool invented ever. Right? And this is called a rubber spatula because it's made out of rubber. Okay? Alrighty, so the way we're gonna do this is we have 4 groups. I have all the ingredients separated. I'm gonna do a little demonstration first. Then one person per group will come over to the table and mix. You know when you have sugar in your house or even flour and it's all like crumbled? This helps breaking down the crumbles into smaller particles. Very small pieces.
Guys, what's Ricardo doing now?
Sifting.
Very.
Now I want one person per group. Raise your hand. One person per group.
One person. Guys, raise your hand.
Okay.
One person. Okay.
Those of you who raise your hand, please come over here. Okay, I guess we're gonna start. So let's do this. Listen up. Listen up. Show me your smaller bowl. The smaller bowl.
Smaller, guys.
Okay.
Small bowl.
All right. In the small bowl, you're gonna put the butter and the sugar. You're gonna have to squeeze the butter against the sugar. You're gonna keep on doing it. Okay? Like a lot. And I'll come back to chat for you, okay? Use your spoon. Very good. And you can take turns too. Like everyone gets to do a little bit if you want. See, as you do this, it starts to incorporate.
Vou fazer mix.
Mix more, guys. Yeah, can you?
Yeah, more. You're doing it right. Just keep doing more, okay? Yeah, it's gonna take a while, so keep on doing it. It's 4 times bigger. So keep on doing it. Yeah, keep on doing. See? It's gonna turn into something like this. So keep on doing it. And use the... You wanna use my spoon? Let me bring my spoon.
Não, encosta na dele.
Look, if you use a mixer, no, not yet, no. Like if you use a machine at home, that's what you get. It's lighter. This is dark, right? This is lighter. So the more you beat, the lighter it gets in color and in texture. Okay, so now I'm gonna need your attention here.
Guys, pay attention.
We're going to the end of the recipe. We're moving forward. Okay, group over here. Now everyone pay attention. It's quite important that you listen up now, okay? So now we have two mixtures. One, the flours, right? The dried ingredients, and the wet ingredients, right? Everybody? We have the wet ingredients. I use the machine, the mixer, and the dried ingredients, and the water, right? What we're gonna do, you're gonna leave your wet mixture on the table. You're gonna take your dried ingredients and put half of it into the wet ingredients and mix it.
Half of the water. Half.
Half of the water.
Everything then mix. Everything mix.
Mix it. Now everyone listen up. You have your chocolate chips, right? Just listen. You have your chocolate chips, do you? Okay. Now, let's talk about percentage. You understand 80% and 20%? Okay. So
80% and 20%.
80% of your chocolate chips. So put 80% of the chocolate chips into the batter, into the mixture.